Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for electric vehicle news and innovations. Today, we're looking at a fascinating market trend that's got everyone buzzing: the electric vehicle adhesives market. The latest forecast from StratView Research predicts that this market is going to reach an impressive $607.3 million by 2032. That's a growth rate of over 7% annually, and it's clear that adhesives are playing a vital role in the transition to sustainable transportation. So, what makes electric vehicle adhesives so crucial? Well, EV batteries require specialized materials that can withstand extreme temperatures and provide long-lasting performance. The adhesive used for these components must be able to maintain its strength and integrity over time, while also allowing for easy swapping and replacement of batteries. StratView Research notes that the demand for strong, durable adhesives is driving innovation in this space. Companies are working on developing new materials that can handle the rigors of EV battery production, from high-temperature bonding agents to advanced sealants for cooling systems. The market is also expected to see growth driven by the increasing adoption of EVs across various industries, including passenger cars, commercial vehicles, and even renewable energy applications. This shift towards sustainable transportation is creating new opportunities for adhesives manufacturers to supply their products to a wider range of customers. But what does this mean for consumers? As EV adoption grows, we can expect to see improved battery performance, reduced maintenance costs, and increased overall efficiency. And at the heart of it all are specialized adhesives that enable these advancements. At ElectroDrive News, we'll continue to bring you the latest insights and analysis on the electric vehicle industry. From breakthroughs in battery technology to innovations in charging infrastructure, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching.